Hi, this is my solution to Paul McWhorter's Pico W lesson number 2. I'm afraid this video is going to be even worse than usual because I only remembered I had some homework about an hour ago. So here we go. I'm using a light ring. Now this light ring was one of the things that Brian made me buy, one of the kits, and I thought, well, I may as well use it. And it came with some code, so I thought I'd do it, which is why my program is completely different from how it would normally be, because I'm trying to fit in with it. So all this up here, including that bit, nothing to do with me at all. Nothing. All the methods on the class, etc., pixels show, no idea. Anyway, come down to here. A lot of this isn't used in the program. And then you define the colours. That isn't me. Now, my bit is from where it gets to dot, because dot, it's red and then it's black. In this program, the way they've done it is they don't turn the LEDs off, they just turn them to black. So anyway, I've defined a dictionary here. With all the characters you could have in Morse code, space, and A to Z, and then 1 to 0. Then this is where you just input your message, and in this very, very strange way, it makes it into a flat list of color codes, and then you just do the code. Anyway, I will show you how it works because this is a terrible video. So we will run this program, and the message, well, we'll go SOSS, capital O, capital S, just to make sure it works. Do that. And yep, that was definitely dot, 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 dash, 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 dot, dot, dot. Now, if you could put in anything, you can go, help me. Now, anyone who knows Morse code will know that was help me. Then if you put in things that aren't in the Morse code, like B, G, D, I don't know if that will work. It just ignores the question mark and the percentage. Now there's one thing where it goes wrong. If you put in more than one space, or space after, no, if you just put in more than one space, then the pause time is a bit strange, because a space ought to be 7 between words. It ought to be 7 intervals, and if I put in 2 spaces it would end up only 11. But as I only just started this very recently, you have to live with that. Right, if you put in 1, that is 1 dot and 4 dashes, I believe. If we look at my nice little dictionary, 1 dot 4 dashes. Right, we'll try and test this. We will put in something nice and short. E, I think, is short. E should be dot. So we will just go E dot. Hurrah! Hurrah! Terrible, terrible, terrible program. It was because I was trying to work around how someone else had done it. Control C, out. Now, to show you what you can do with this wonderful light ring, this is just a demo. I don't know how well it will show up. This demo is exactly the same code that I don't understand. Then you can do a wheel and a rainbow and fill it in, and well, I will just show this so you can all feel very jealous that I've got one and Brian and I, or no, Brian's got one, I've got one, and no one else has got one. There, you can't really get much of an idea, but it looks quite pretty. Looks very nice here. Right, Control C out. Right, there you have it. And that program, they didn't even bother to do anything with Control C. So there we have it. One terrible video.